The face-off between the government and the farmers continues. Speaking to the media today, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh said that the government is willing to listen to the farmers, allay their fear, provide them with assurances. He's added that they are always open to discussion and dialogue. Rajnath reiterated the fact that the recent reforms have been undertaken with the best interests of India's farmers in mind. This is coming in as Home Minister Amit Shah held a key huddle with Agriculture Minister over the ongoing farmers' protest at his residence. This is the third such huddle in 3 days. The centre's outreach to the farmers is coming amidst protesters' clarion call to escalate the stir. Farmers are adamant on their demands to roll back the 3 new farm laws.
There is no question of taking retrograde steps against our agricultural sector either. The recent reforms have been undertaken with the best interests of India's farmers in mind. We are, however, always willing to listen to our farmer brothers, allay their misgivings, provide them with assurances we can provide. Our government is always open to discussion and dialogue. Agriculture has been one sector which has been able to avoid the adverse effects of the pandemic and in fact come out the best. Our produce and procurement have been plentiful and our warehouses are full.
Anisha is now joining us, reporting from the Singhu border. The farmers refusing to relent right there, Anisha, but Rajnath Singh coming out there, allaying all these fears. How do the farmers respond to this fresh outreach that is coming in from the centre now?
Since this morning, we've been talking to the farmer leaders who are here. Remember, the protests are being intensified here as the farmer associations say that the government is not ready to come and speak to them and talk to them about the things that they want to talk about. Remember, the farmers have made it very clear that they are not going to settle for anything less than complete repeal of these 3 laws, a guarantee under law of MSP, as well as relief with regard to electricity bills, as well as the fines regarding crop burning. This morning, Prakash Javadekar had said that the doors are ready open and ready for talks. Now, Rajnath Singh has also made a statement saying that these farm laws are for the benefit of the farmers. Farmer leaders here are in fact very, very not just skeptical but actually opposing these statements. They are saying that if the government has already declared that these farm laws are beneficial to us, then it means that they are not ready to talk to us, they are not ready to listen to our concerns. The farmers here, I'm going to ask my camera person to pan a little and show you. On this side, trucks and tractors which had been towards the back have now come up ahead towards where the barricades are. Security is being enhanced, more barricading is being put in, police personnel the number has been increased as more and more farmers are pouring in here, even inside where a certain space has been made between 2 lines of tents of tents where farmers are sitting. More security personnel, RAF personnel as well as and police personnel are there. Containers and trucks full of sand have been brought in to make sure that farmers do not push towards Delhi, because there is a lot of resentment among farmers. They're saying that despite so many rounds of talks, the government is not ready to listen to them. In fact, farmer leaders are now demanding that the Prime Minister should hold a meeting with the leaders and give an assurance of a rollback of these acts. So while senior ministers of the government have tried to allay fears of the farmers, those are arguments that the farmers are simply not accepting. Back to you.
Shamathur getting us those details right there. It is the 19th day of the farmers' protest and farmers are in no mood to relent until the new farm laws are withdrawn. At Delhi's Ghazipur border, some farmers stopped the traffic on the Delhi-Ghaziabad road on NH9. The blockade lasted 10 minutes. The farmers currently are on a 9-hour hunger strike. 40 farmer leaders are sitting on a hunger strike spread across Delhi's borders. They're going to sit on a hunger strike until 5 p.m. today. Earlier today, farmers had a meeting at Ghazipur and other borders and discussed the strategy for the days to come. Leaders from different locations are also likely to meet tomorrow at the Singhu border. The agitating farmers continue to demand a rollback of 3 new farm laws and also want the government to make a law that guarantees MSP.
शाम की मीटिंग जो है 5 बजे के बाद धरने के हम लोग बैठेंगे। इसमें कल की क्या रणनीति इस बॉर्डर की होगी इसको हम लेके जो है सिंधु बॉर्डर पे जाएंगे। वहां से पूरा कल के लिए क्या आदेश होगा, सुबह 10 बजे तक हम वापस आ जाएंगे, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 9-10 बजे से शुरू होता है, वही हम यहाँ सुबह अनाउंसमेंट करेंगे। कल की रणनीति जो है सुबह 10 बजे तक अनाउंस हम लोग कर, ये धीरे धीरे रोज की रणनीति है। आज हम ये अनाउंसमेंट नहीं कर रहे हैं कि हमें जाम करनी है, लेकिन कल की रणनीति क्या होगी ये हम कल तय करेंगे। लेकिन धीरे धीरे ये उग्र नहीं होगा, लेकिन इसको हम बढ़ाते चले जाएंगे, क्यों रोज की रोज यहाँ पे 2000 से लेके 5000 की जनता बढ़ती चली जा रही है।
आज अनशन आपका शुरू हो गया। क्या आगे 5 बजे तक आगे भी इसको कंटिन्यू रखना है?
5 बजे तक है अभी, तो फिर क्या पता क्या होगा, अभी 5 बजे तक है।
क्या आपको लगता है क्या कि ये अनशन जो है वही एक रास्ता बचा है, या और भी रास्ता था आगे, और भी तैयारी?
और भी रास्ते बहुत हैं। हाँ, सारे अभी क्यों बताए थे, अभी तो बहुत है।
तो ये शांतिपूर्वक रास्ता आपने पहले
शांति, हमारे तो रास्ते तो सारे शांति से ही चलते हैं। जो उनका चलने का जो पथ है वो शांति पथ ही तो है हमारा।
The agitating farmers have blocked the other side of carriageway at NH9, but many of the farmers, they are quite agitated and they are on roads for several days. Today is the 19th day of the protest and agitation. As the government according to them, are not listening to their demands, so they have no other option to block the roads, and that's why earlier one of the carriageway which connects Ghaziabad to Delhi was being closed, but now the agitating farmers have also blocked the road which connects Delhi to Ghaziabad. So there are demands that the 3 farm laws should be repealed, but the farmer leaders are of the view that we should not block the other side of carriageway, and hence some of the farmer leaders tried to convince them, and they have also just not tried but also put their strategy accordingly and in the same way. Thank you. They are writing that take black laws back, किसान विरोधी कृषि कानून वापस लो. So all the demands are there on posters, and they are trying to make their point prove, and hence in between they are also blocking the roads also. With camera person Himanshu Sharma, it's Kumar Kunal from Delhi Gazipur border for India Today.
As farmer leaders sit on a token hunger strike at the Singhu border, with more and more people coming in, the protest space has expanded as tractors and trolleys have come up ahead almost 50 to 60 meters towards Delhi, where the barricading has been set up by the police to ensure that the farmer protests do not enter Delhi. Multiple layers of barricades have been set up here towards the Singhu border. At the toll booth is now where the protests have come forward to. Thousands more people have joined into the protests in the last several days, and farmer leaders are saying this is our show of strength to show that we are not going to back down. In New Delhi with cameraman Nasir, this is Anisha Mathur at the Singhu border for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.